Let's all stand as we begin this evening with the waving of that divine light. At this time, ladies, please cover your hair. Everybody put your hands to your chest like this. Close your eyes. And as we get set, as we set the first night in our team, I am giving the Lord the energy, the heat energy, light energy. This is my gift to you, dear God. What is a greater gift? What greater gift could be given other than the Shakti, the energy itself? This is why we are a team. As this is being done, let's all pray together as we chant the Shiv Arti. Ajam cha varti sanyuktam grahina yojitam mayam Devam grihana devesham Trailokya timidapaham Jai Shiva Om Kara Prabhu Hara Shiva Om Kara. Everybody. Jai Shiva Om Kara Hara Shiva Om Kara Brahma Vishnu Sada Shiva Ardhangi Dara Brahma Vishnu Sada Shiva Ardhangi Dara Om Jai Shiva Om Kara Hare Shiva Om Kara
Om Jai Shiva Om Kara Hare Shiva Om Kara
Ekanan Chaturanana Panchanan Raje
Ekanan Chaturanana Panchanan Raje
Hansasana Karunasana Vishwasana Saje
Om Jai Shiva Om Kara Hare Shiva Om Kara
Om Jai Shiva Om Kara
Hare Shiva Om Kara Bhuj char chaturbhuj jas mukh te sohe Do bhuj char chaturbhuj jas mukh te sohe
Everybody.
रूप निरंजन त्रिभुवन जन मोहे ओम जय शिव ओम कारा हरे शिव ओम कारा ओम जय शिव ओम कारा हरे शिव ओम कारा श्वेतांबर पीतांबर भागंबर अंगे श्वेतांबर पीतांबर भागंबर अंगे ब्रह्मादिक सनकादिक भूतादिक संगे ओम जय शिव ओम कारा
Everybody.
हरे शिव ओम कारा ओम जय शिव ओम कारा हरे शिव आरती जो कोई नर आरती शिव जी की जो कोई नर गावे कहत शिवानंद स्वामी सुख संपत्ति पावे ओम जय शिव ओम कारा हरे शिव ओम कारा ओम जय शिव ओम कारा हरे शिव ओम कारा जय शिव ओम कारा शिव ओम कारा
Brahma Vishnu Sada Shiva Janata Viveka Jagadambe Ma Durga, Jai Jagadambe Ma Durga. Narayani Om, Narayani Om, Narayani Om. Jai Jagadambe Ma Durga, Jai Jagadambe Ma Durga. Prem se bolo Adi Shakti Mata ki Jai. Everybody please have your seat. Sitaram. Sitaram, everybody. So tonight being the third night, we continue. Last night we talked about the origin of the lingam. Many people don't know, just to rehash 1 or 2 points. If I go to a temple, I've seen people arati a lingam like this, like a half circle. And I never knew why. But last night it says that if I take the Tarian, imagine yourself doing it. If I take the Tarian idea and I come up like this, at some point it will cast a shadow on the lingam below. So I don't want that. So just, let's say for the children here, you see adults doing something like this when they are doing arati by a lingam, and you don't know why. This is why. Once the light is lower than the lingam, it will illumine. Tomorrow night we will hear about a fella who gets a lot of blessing by simply lighting that diya. Last time we spoke about why would you clean your lingam and maintain little things that yield a lot of blessing. And these same little things, when neglected, when the grass is growing or the moss is growing and there's no diya lighting by this lingam at your place, the problems it brings, the troubles, and you're wondering, all type of thoughts. Did somebody do me something? Am I going through a gra? And it is because sometimes of our own negligence, God is hitting you a little message, you need to improve, but sometimes we doesn't know where to improve. So last time we spoke about the lingam, why it is the way it is, where did it come from, and what are the blessings when you worship Mahadev Baba in that form. We did speak about the different type of flowers. Speaking about Ganesh Puja, where we use the rose petal and other things, other ingredients. Tonight now, we continue where, firstly, today, a lot of people got married today. Anyway you looked, it had a wedding. And the reason for that, today is the son of Lord Shiva, his birthday. Today is Kartik Jayanti. Today is a very auspicious day to have prayer. In addition, one of the reasons why, as I keep saying, we did these dates in the holidays time. The Navratri is running right now. It's finishing on the 10th. So when I was reading and preparing, everybody knows Ganesh Baba very good. Of course, there's always room to learn more, but we have a pretty good idea of Ganesh Baba. But if somebody asks you, do you know the story of the first son of Mother Parvati and Lord Shiva? I've heard they have a son named Kartik, but I don't know much about him. For that discourse, we go to a different Puran called the Brahm Vaivat Puran as the source document. And tonight you're going to hear how he was created, a different story, totally different. And if you see a murti of him, sometimes we see pictures, the family picture, Lord Shiva, Mother Parvati, Ganesh Baba we know, and then there's this person with 6 heads. Sometimes he has 1 head depending on the moment. Skand is one of his names, Kartik is another name, Murugan is another name. In Trinidad, people worship him in the form of Murugan Baba. Is a name he got from south side of India. And people worship this form now. You see, when you have hard to heal disease, when people have to live with something, HIV, lupus, etc., people turn to him and worship him to get the help. Because, as you will hear tonight, he's in charge of the army. He is the guy they go to when there's no option. When the enemy is very strong, they turn to him. Tonight, and then at the end, we'll do some mantras to him. Tonight I want to read for you the Janam Discourse, as it is his birthday, of Kartik, for the blessings of everybody. Before we go further, everybody, please clasp your hands as we do Simran. Those of you looking on at home, I invite you to do the same. As we get ready to accept the discourse, the story of Lord Shiva, Mother Parvati, and their personal life. Dear Lord, if this is the first time I am hearing this discourse, I thank you for the opportunity to be together in a circle of people that are praying. Thank you for the company I have tonight. For those members of my family that are not here, say a prayer for them. In these tumultuous times, in these times where there's so much banditry and all these different types of negativity, we need help, dear God, and that help comes from prayer. Tonight as we pray together, may you please allow what I'm about to hear, may it manifest in my life as blessings, as protection, as your personal presence. Tonight I ask for your permission to now listen to your discourse. Gauri Shankar Padakamala. I bow, Padakamala, I bow to the lotus-like feet of Gauri and Shankar Bhagwan. Prema Sahita Hiyale Srimad Shambhu Purana Ke Bhasha Rachahu Shubham Shruti Sambedanadi Shiva Samba Sachidanand Nirguna Brahma Vilaka Ek Yayami Sukhakan Jahi Ge Maya Paya Jaga Bhopalanalayahu Shambhu Shambhu Jasubhala Gaurav Pavadado Tinko Madhav Ravi Gana Shiva Yuta Yuta Dhyan Prema Sahit Kara Jora Kara Sabhi Navahushe Mata Pita Guru Bharati Veda Vyasa Munesh Prema Sahit Kara Jora Kara Sabhi Navahushe Gauri Shankar Padakamala Sahita Hiyale Srimad Shambhu Purana Ke Bhasha Rachahu Shubham Srimad Shambhu Purana Ke Bhasha Rachahu Shubham. प्रेम से बोलो उमापति महादेव की जय. We enter into a section of Brahm Vaivat Puran where a question is asked. Could you please tell me, Prabhu, about the son of Shiva that is known as Kartik? How did he get that name? Another person refers to him as Skand, Murugan, Subramanyam. All these different names are given in different regions, different aspects. As I said, some has 6 heads, some Murti has 1 head, etc. And we enter where Parvati Mata had just finished praying. A lot of prayer. A very hard vrat. And what she was praying for was to have children. And when the moment came for that moment where husband and wife come together, they are interrupted. All the time, the Devatas were praying. Guruji says, who is narrating here, he says the Devatas needed for Lord Shiva to have a child. They were hoping that Sati Devi would bring that child that they needed. Why did they need that child? There was this very haughty fella by the name of Tarak, and he prayed that only the son of Shiva could destroy him, knowing fully well that Lord Shiva at that time was not married and no way close to having a child. This is what he asked for. So all the Devatas go and they beg Lord Shiva, please, please accept somebody in your life. Please have a consort so that we can have a child, so that he would be the hero that will destroy this enemy. Sati Devi comes, and we'll hear this another night, and that form is destroyed. They pray again and they beg Mother, Mother, may you please come as Parvati? And she does come. And after arduous prayers, she gets married to Lord Shiva. He accepts her. But now, when this moment where male and female is supposed to come together, they're interrupted by the same Devatas that are praying for this child to be born. And the seed that is supposed to pass from Mahadev to Devi Mata, this seed falls. And it falls towards the earth. And this is where now Mother Parvati goes, sit down. Mother Parvati goes and she wants to find this energy, the Viraj of Lord Shiva, because she wants to have a child. She wants to have a baby. And the question she is going to ask is, why is it I am never able to have a child? Every time this is going to happen, something comes and stops this. And Lord Vishnu is about to reply to her. Let's enter into our discourse. As Lord Shiva is about to tell her why every time she's about to conceive, something goes wrong. Please listen tonight. This discourse is not a popular discourse. It is not often read. This is why in many temples, you answer this one for myself. How often do you see a Kartik Murti, Murugan Murti, or a Kartik temple? But we hear a lot about Ganapati Ashram, Ganapati temple, Ganesh temple. Both are the son of Lord Shiva. Tonight, let's hear what happens. Jai Bhole Baba Tab Sharanam.
Bhole Baba Tab Sharanam.
Jai Bhole Baba Tab Sharanam. Jai Bhole Baba Tab Sharanam. Jai Samba Sadashi. Everybody, let's clap and sing together.
Jai Samba Sadashiva Tab Sharanam.
Yoyam Sakritaye Vishnu Sarva Karmpal Ye Atau Kimbaye Budaye Bhaktana Pritaye Kallaye Ati Jaya Bhole Baba Tav Sharanam.
Bhole Baba Tab Sharanam.
Jaya Bhole Baba Tav Sharanam.
Jaya Bhole Baba Tab Sharanam.
Jaya Samba Sada Shiva Tav Sharanam.
Samba Sadashiva Tab Sharanam.
Lord Vishnu says, Devi, you remember how you destroyed yourself in that form called Sati? This is one of the punishment when a person commits suicide. Night before we spoke about how Lord Shiva drinks the halal poison. And some people use that as an excuse. If my God could drink poison, when I'm stressed out, I'll drink poison too. Many people revert to that because you hear of this story where he drinks it. Mother, now, when people hear of Sati Devi, and we'll do this particular discourse, He says to her, because you engulfed yourself in that fire, you gave up that form, you caused so much trouble for Lord Shiva. Mahadev Baba strung together your bones from that body and he wears it around his neck. What when we do in the arti, you hear Munda Mala? Munda Mala means skulls, bones that he wears as adornment because of the love he felt for you. And when you broke his heart, when you leave that spouse in that broken state, karma yields karma. This is why, whether you do now or you do tapasya, you do dhyan, you are not going to be able to conceive by normal means. You will never be able to become a mother in the traditional sense. You will always have to create your children via mystical, let's say magical for children, magical means. Remember the story of Ganesh and how he's molded. There are many instances where she finds herself in this. So she turns to Lord Vishnu and she says, so I will never have a child. Will I be barren? How can you allow me to be like this? How will we get the child of Shiva to destroy that demon? You must allow something to happen. Lord Vishnu says, find the Viraj, find the seed of Lord Shiva. Find that seed wherever it is, and your answer will be waiting right there. Let's hear what happens in this sloka. Ratirudraye vina papi vayu jal tatvaye jnanatam dakshatarka prokyapi vidhayedam ye ati jaya bole mama tav sharanam. Everybody. Jaya Bole Baba Tav Sharanam.
Jaya Bole Baba Tav Sharanam.
Jaya Samba Sada Shiva Tav Sharanam.
Samba Sada Shiva Tav Sharanam.
Last night when we were talking about the lingam, many people know the column like this, the top part. But not everybody knows the pedestal is mother. When there's another part that comes down like a stand, that part is where we worship different forms. The jane was supposed to hang lower than mother and catch both male and female, linga and lingi, tie them together and worship them. Nandi is the fourth part of the lingam. He is supposed to be opposite and watch Mahadev Baba like a security guard. In case he needs anything, he is there. That pedestal formed when Lord Shiva took the male form of the lingam. Mother says, only my body could hold him. Only my body is able to hold the fire of Lord Shiva. And she holds him in that pedestal form. Now that the seed is missing, and they go, Lord Vishnu says, whoever is harboring that seed of the Mahadev, that person is considered to be very sinful. Why would you interfere with the natural law of husband and wife? All the devatas present, someone has to know something, please talk it out. Dharma says, I saw everything. When it fell, it started to fall to the earth like an amber rock, filled with flame. It came with great heat. Shrishti says, as it went into the Agni. He caught it. Agni says, Prabhu, I did not keep it. It was so hot, I couldn't hold it. I let it fall into the water of the Ganga. Ganga Mata now, she says to them, please listen. Shiro Sapita Vayave Ganga Chal Tatvaye Naye Aji Kritika Vishnu Ye Swami Najiya Dekha Ye Atav Jaya Bole Baba Tav. Come on everybody. Jaya Bole Baba Tav Sharanam. Jaya Bole Adi Shakti Mata ki jai. Mother says, when the seed entered into the water, it was so hot that I threw it out onto the bank. On that river shore, that amber stone took form into a little boy, into a baby. And by the power of that form, he started to cry very loudly. Surya Dev says, I was passing and I saw the child crying. That is true what they are saying. I saw him crying. Chandrama, the moon, says, when I came into time, there were 6 ladies, Kritika, and they were passing and they saw the child cry. And these mothers took up this child. Who is the Kritika? Kritika is one of the, when you go by your Babas, we were talking about wedding. This is one of the stars in astrology. And these ladies, the Kritika, that means to cut, translate into cutting. It is a day when people cut hair, when people shave, when people, shave the head of a baby, etc. It is auspicious for that type of work. But it is the worst day. The worst day when she is there to do wedding. Please remember that. Whenever young people in love want to get married, older ones will say, let's go and consult the pundit. And they don't bother with that. And sometimes things like this, what you don't know, could have a factor in your marriage. When you think about you are living happy and good, and a third person or personality gets in between these two people, then you will know trouble. This is one of the reasons when you go to check, this is one of the people we avoid. Ganga Mata says, these 6 sisters picked up this child and he was crying profusely, desiring milk, food. He was very hungry. And the 6 sisters, their bodies started to make milk. Kartik, that little child, that little boy, he takes a form where he has 6 heads to feed from the various mothers at the same time. Guruji says, do you know why he got the name Kartik? It is because of these ladies, Kritika. Kartikeya means the one who is the son of Kritika, this astrological sign. In this way, the mothers became very, very fond of this baby. And they decided to keep him as their own son. Let's hear what happens when Mahadev Baba, he's listening, and whilst Parvati Mata, she is very upset. Imagine somebody says, this is your child, but somebody else is minding your child. For every lady here, imagine somebody is saying 6 other people is taking their body milk and feeding your child, and you have never fed your child, not once. Imagine how this lady is upset. She was never a mother before. She never had the joy of doing that. But you are telling me these sisters get to do that? She turns to Mahadev. Let's hear what happens. Jai Bhole Baba Tab Sharanam. Jai
Bhole Baba.
Come on, everybody. Yani Yani Vastu Kal Trailoka Dhulavaye Bhavani Prakshani Svai Dvijayate Bhojanayam Suraye Tam Tam Jaya Bhole Baba.
Jaya Bhole Baba Tab Sharanam. Jaya Bhole Baba Tab Sharanam. Jaya Bhole Baba Tab Sharanam.
She turns around and she looks at Lord Shiva very angry. She says, this is your fault. Your seed fell to the earth. You are supposed to be the one who is in control of every aspect of your body. How could you allow yourself to lose control in this critical moment? Now my child is being kidnapped and being harbored by somebody else. I am not going to eat any food. I am going to abstain from food, husband. Find my baby and bring back my child to me without delay. Otherwise, I am not going to eat and you will see me die one more time. Do not delay, husband. Mahadev Baba gets down the Trishul and he gets up now, listening to this threat. Lord Shiva has to act. He must move, Guruji says. And in this way, he starts to instruct all the Ganna, all his workers, the army. He says, go and find them wherever they are. Find those sisters. Nandishwar, you lead and go and bring that child of mine. Tesha vachano ye shrata Gira bhadra bhairo ye tam Samba yena sambeshwar Putraya varna kridakate Jaya bhole baba tab sharanam
Jaya Bhole Baba Tab Sharanam
Jaya bhole baba tab sharanam
Jaya Bhole Baba Tab Sharanam Jaya Samba Sada Shiva Tab Sharanam Jaya Samba Sada Shiva Tab Sharanam
Lakshmi Saraswati Maina Savitri Sarva Yogni Vishnu Dev Sarva Jagannath Ye Brahman Durlabh Ye Na Pariyate
Bhole Baba Tab Sharanam Jaya Bhole Baba Tab Sharanam
Jaya Bhole Baba Tab Sharanam
Jaya Bhole Baba Tab Sharanam Jaya Samba Sada Shiva Tab Sharanam Jaya Samba Sada Shiva Tab Sharanam
Lakshmi and Saraswati, her mother, Meena, Savitri, all of them start to, Devi calm down. Parvati Mata calm down. They try to shanti her. And that Parvati Mata turns to Lakshmi Mata and she says, will I never get to feed a child from my body? Will I never get the opportunity to know what it feels like to have a child in my bosom? You are the goddess of fortune. Why can't you shine your rays of fortune on me now? What is the sense? You made me a woman and I cannot hold not one child from my body. What is the sense having this figure, having these organs in my body as a lady, and it will be of no use? What sin? What punishment is this? I pity her words. I pity any woman who is in this position. Oh Vishnu, you are Jagannath. Last time we talked about Jagat Pita, Jagannath and Jagat Guru. Jagannath, you are the owner, you are the Lord of this entire universe. Inside of your universe, there's a child that is mine, and I want back my child. Do not give that child to anybody else. Don't let anybody pray to you and ask you for a child and you give away my child. You are known to be a slave. Please listen to this. You are known to be a slave to your devotee, but my husband is Shankar, and Shankar does not bend to the prayer of a person. He's very stern. He's always in equilibrium, balanced mind, objectivity. Therefore, practice that now and do not become swayed or in any way different because somebody is asking you for something. Don't do it. I want my child. She squeals and she bawls, Shishya. Guruji says Kailash Parvat started to rock when she is squealing in this way, that she wants her children. She says, Virabhadra, you destroy the yagna of Sati's father. Go and destroy this world if I cannot get back my child. Go, I am your mistress. I am your master, and I give you instructions. Go and do my bidding. No one will stop you. Virabhadra, for those of you that have now heard that name, is the person who goes to do the bidding of Lord Shiva. When Lord Shiva is in a battle, when he's fighting, he calls on Virabhadra to stand on his right hand side. As his emissary, go now and be his representative in this search. They go and they start the search and they find that child. Let's hear what happens when they find the place where he's playing. Rudra, Rudra Bhairava Shivo Thala Kritika Ye Ato Rupa Ye Nada Ya Gana Ganapati Ye Jayate Jaya Bole Baba Tav Sharanam
Jaya Bole Baba Tab Sharanam
Jaya Bole Baba Tav Sharanam Jaya Samba Sada Shiva Tav Sharanam Jaya Samba Sada Shiva Tav Sharanam Jaya Samba Sada Shiva Tav Sharanam. Prem Sabalo Mahapati Mahadeva Ki. Whenever they go to do battle, in Hinduism, we do not attack first. We do not look at somebody and say, you know what, I'm going to take advantage of them and try to be oppressive. What we do is we are very good at defending ourselves. Ahimsa is something that people misinterpret. Look at all our valorous devatas. They have mukdar. When you listen to the prayer of Hanuman Baba in the Hanuman Kavach, Bajrang Ban, it says, Hanuman Baba, the enemy is at my door. They are coming for me. Destroy them. When somebody is being plagued by banditry and thief, we have prayer that very eloquently asks for protection. But nowhere in our Dharma, it says be the person to interfere with somebody else. That is what ahimsa means. Have respect, have regard. Do not incite violence. But if somebody comes, there's enough prayer to protect you. Pavana Putra Hanumana Ki Jai. All of them lined up outside this palace where these sisters lived. And these sisters became very, very worried when they saw the horrible looking people. The Ganas are not beautiful, they are not devatas, but they are scary warriors that come to fight. And they are waiting for the word to attack. They are ready to reclaim their property. And even in this moment, Virabhadra says, Nandishwar, you are calm and cool. O Nandi, the Vahan of Lord Shiva, you go and see if this fight can be averted. Go and negotiate for the release of this child. Nandi bows and he takes leave of Virabhadra. And he goes and he imagine knocking on the door and getting audience with the mothers. The mothers are very, very worried. They go to Kartik and say, son, there's an army outside and we are very afraid. Kartik says, mothers, don't be afraid. I am here. Whatever is going to happen, I will protect you. Nandishwar comes inside and he says, oh brother, listen to the message I have brought from your mother Parvati and Lord Shiva. They have sent me here to collect you. Please come with me and let us go back to Kailash Parvat. That is your home. They've been searching for you far and wide, and now it is time for you to return to them. Everything that has happened when you were collected by the Kritika, they know everything. No one is going to blame anybody. But it is now time for you to return to your place. But what does he say? He says it is time for you to be returned to your true mother. Kartik did not like that. He did not like that statement. Let's hear what happens as he's about to reply to them. Ya Devi Sarvabhuteshu Shakti Rupena Samstita Namastasye Namastasye Namastasye
Namo Namah Ya Devi Sarvabhuteshu Shakti Rupena Samshrita
Namastasye
Namastasye Namastasye Namo Namah Ya Devi Sarvabhuteshu
What does he say? He says, brother, a frog is so low. The frog does sit on the body of the lotus flower, but he never appreciates the scent, the beauty of that flower. He will leave that and jump to another place. You are being cared for by normal women. How can this be? You are the son of Devadi Dev Sadashiva. You have the power of the entire universe within you. How can they be your mother? Come on, laughs and he says, let's go. But Kartik is not moving. He says, how could Garud, the Vahan of Lord Vishnu, the one that is said to be equal to Indra, Garud is that big bird. His brother is the driver of Suraj Narayan's chariot. Have you ever seen a Surya Murti, the little fella in front holding the 7 horse? That person is the brother of Garud. He says, Garud is so great. Do you think he could come from a normal little bird? Do you think he could come from the womb of such a creature? Therefore, you can't stay here, O Lord of the universe. You cannot stay in the house of the Kritika any further. You have taken this form for the benefit of all your devotees. People need help, and it is time for you now to return to Kailash Parbat. Leave off these humans, leave off these mere mortals, leave off these people, and come on, let us go where people can really adore you. They don't know your abilities, they cannot encompass your power. Therefore, let us do not waste time, let us not tarry any further, but let us go. Kartik, in that young form, he's called Kumar, young boy, very young and very delicate, and that temper is very ferocious at this age. He doesn't want to hear this, and he starts to speak to his brother. Ya Devi Sarvabhuteshu Shakti Rupena Samshrita Namastasye Yatra Sandhyatam Madhyavetaram Palaye Api Bahumana Moha Ye Vishnu Mev Ye Suprita Ye Atau. Come on everybody. Namastasye, namastasye,
namastasye, namo namah, ya Devi Sarvabhuteshu, Shakti-rupena samshrita.
Kartik says, oh brother, you are very mistaken. When a person is born, with the attributes of his karma, regardless where that creature comes from, regardless to the environment that diya is going to light, that person is going to shine through. Whether these ladies are my mother or Parvati Mata is my mother, it does not affect who I am. But once I have a mother, I am going to live. Oh fool, don't you know Parvati is always, in every time, whenever there's pralay and everything is recycled and creation comes again, she's always, Devi is always taking that form. Being born from Maina, she's coming to make me, and I am always her son. This has happened before and it will happen again. I know this, I know this. If you say I have the universal energy within me, won't I know that? But oh, my brother, you don't know what a mother is. All the ladies that are blessed with that womb are a spark of that divine mother. The art and the ability to breastfeed is something that only a female will know. The blessing that it brings, the joy it brings. Therefore, brother, how can I rob these mothers of that joy? To caress my head, to smell my hair. How could I do that? They are my mothers after all. Let's hear what Nandishwar tells him. Mata na pita na etam sundara asya priya tattvar Matu parvato kailash parvat ye tat pad ye chinda mat ye jai bhole baba tav charna jai bhole baba tav charna
Jaya Bhole Baba Tav Sharanam
jai Sambh sada shiva tav charna. He says, oh brother, laughingly, he says, this is your mistake. He says, how could they be your mother? How much mother you have? How much mother you want to have? You can have 6 mother. Say you could only have 1. And the 1 mother you have is in Kailash waiting for you. Don't make your mother wait. Don't make her worry anymore. The longer you take to reach home, is more worries this lady will have on her head. Oh brother, I'm simply carrying you home. Let us go home. Kartik says, you don't know who is a mother. He says, you don't understand how these 6 ladies became my mother. I understand your ignorance. I understand your lack of knowledge. No. He says, in our dharma, there are 16 types of ladies that are called mother. For the person who is a stepmother, for the person who becomes a godmother, for the person who becomes a foster mother and treated with disdain and disrespect. Please listen to what our text talk about. Sometimes in splitting homes where there's divorce and there's a second lady, sometimes disrespect is shown to that lady. And tonight, Pandit Keshava, nobody else, I don't know about anybody else. I am telling you, you cannot call yourself Hindu and do not respect a stepmother or a second mother. Whatever has happened before you, independent of you. But a mother is a mother. Please listen who a mother is. Ya Devi Sarva Bhuteshu Shakti Rupena Samsita Namastasye 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 Namo Namah Sarva Bhuteshu Shakti Rupena Samsita Namastasye
Namastasye Namo Namah
तेज सर्वशान्त सत्रये स्नानदात्री गर्भदात्री मुक्तये दात्री भोजनदात्री पुत्रयातम जय भोले बाबा तव शरणम
भोले बाबा तव शरणम
जय भोले बाबा तव शरणम
जय भोले बाबा तव शरणम
जय सांब सदा शिव
तव शरणम जय
सांब सदा शिव तव शरणम Together, प्रेम से बोलो आदि शक्ति माता की जय. He says, please listen. You could be making a mistake if you disrespect a mother. He says, first mother is any lady who feeds a child or feeds a child, any child from her body. That lady who gives her milk, that is a mother. The person who physically gives birth from her womb, that is a mother. The lady who gives food to your mouth, offers you food to your mouth, that is a mother. The wife of the guru or the teacher, that is a mother. The wife of the father, which means it may not necessarily be your birth mother. That is a mother. The daughter, when she's married, the pregnant daughter or daughter-in-law, the sister, the wife of a son becomes a mother. And I'm saying this tonight because there are people that don't know how to respect the daughter-in-law in the home. The language and the type of things that go on in some people whom, trust me, as a pundit, we see a lot of scary stories. And here Kartik is saying, when your brother's wife, younger or older, that is a mother. Aji, Nani, mothers, the mother of your own wife, your mother-in-law, that is a mother. All of these. Maternal aunt, that is the Mausi, that is your mother. He says, if all of these people are considered a mother, and then we say to a Mewa Mata, God, you are my mother. You are all these people. Then all these people deserving of love and respect their brother. Therefore, I cannot disown my mother. He says, how could a person do worship? How could a person try to see the face of God and the person is forgetting their mother? What type of downgraded, outcast type of person is that, Nandishwar? And you want me to become that? Before I leave this place, before I even dream of going with you to meet whosoever, I must get the permission of my mothers. They fed me and cared for me when I was crying on the bank. When I was an orphan, nobody else wanted me. And they nurtured me. And now I'm just going to leave without asking permission. That would be the biggest slap in their face. Imagine there are children today that will just walk out the house. You know, when you're young, Ma going to school, Sitaram. Ma come back from school, Sitaram. Evening, Ma where you cook day? Well, usually for me, it used to go in the out, Sitaram, Ma, we'd have to eat. Imagine now when we come big, when the beard get thick. Me I have to tell Mommy I'm going anywhere again. When ladies sit down to talk and they cry. You know, sometimes I just worry about my son, Pandit. That we live in together, you know. But when you hear about how 3 people get shot today in Princetown Market, and I hear they're going out all hours of the night, I just worry a little bit. And I just wish my son could just tell me, Ma, we're going satsang, don't worry, I'll come back just now. A little regard, a little respect. He says, how could I leave and not tell them? Do you want me to become a sinful fella? by not showing that lady not only Arti and Puja Nandishwar, but a little regard. By having a little regard, I'm having respect for that person. How could I be disrespectful, Nandishwar? She's my mother. You tell me, brother, you are bigger and you are closer to Mahadev. You know the answers. You tell me now. All I am doing is being humble. Knowing who I have, knowing the value of what I have, I do not want to throw it away. He says there are those people who are very sinful. How do you know sinful people? Bhagavad Gita tells you they never know how to act. They never know what is appropriate. They don't have manners. They don't have etiquette. They don't have training. So they act very haphazardly, very inappropriately. People look at them and scorn them. People look at them and wonder, what you thinking, boy? So you could do? Imagine we go to eat together and somebody's taking chana and aloo sawan. In our dharma, there's a reason why, I've said it before, I'll say it again, why we eat with our hands. When you watch the hands of the Murti, they make different signs, different mudra we call it. This one, this Maggie, you see it when they go to Chume for the wedding. Lakshmi Mata, sit on the person and bless them. Unchain the person with the grass, as it were, to remove bad things. When you sit with the chana and aloo and you like this, Lakshmi Mata, bless what I'm about to ingest. There's an art. Only with the right hand we use food. Left hand is kept for the washroom. So you'll notice that people don't touch anything with their left hand. And I'm saying it, if I don't say it, who will say it? Your Pandit is here to teach you, right? So I'm introducing little things so that you'll practice it. People that have no etiquette, manners, we all burp, belch, whatever. How many people remember to cover their mouth or say, excuse me? One time in satsang, I was talking about cleanliness. How could you be a Hindu and not be a clean person? Imagine in every home there's an argument. At some point, Baba, we have a new daughter-in-law, but she can't clean. She don't know how to clean. But if I only say something, trouble start. Cleanliness is next to godliness. But people who are sinful, they don't know. They don't know those rules. And think, well, once nobody else see, we get away. Nobody ever see I heap up the dust in the corner here. Like that. He says further to that, people who are sinful, they don't know how to appreciate their appearance. How could you be who you are without their sacrifice? And then you forget that sacrifice? Then you just do as if you came like a deuta, you came ready, set, go. With all the knowledge. Nobody sat with you and went A for R, B for bat. Nobody didn't do that. We forget all that. But you see the day for the funeral? Baba, what's the mala? God bless her in her hand. Baba, we want the best mala. Want to make sure and give you the best service. Oh boy. But you see the day for the lady's birthday? We didn't have the time to go and touch your foot. Many people make time for other things. When something important, they make time. But when your mother and father, you don't have time for them, they are not a priority, then they become a burden. A burden. Do you know how many people cry, Pandit? You know, we send them to school, oh God. And we pray that they become successful. We pray that they become intelligent. But I guess we never prayed for them to be loving. Because as soon as you get sickly, as soon as you become troublesome, as soon as you have to go into a diaper, well, now that I have money, we'll pay for you to be in a home and park you up one side. I don't want you close to us. You're smelling funny now. You know how many people are scorned by their own children? The question he's saying here, when I am scornful, When as a child I messed myself, how come they didn't turn their face and say, you are smelling funny now? When I, as a child, have been, troublesome. I have a niece troublesome, crying all day. How come they didn't beat me and throw me in a home and lock me up one side? But with patience, held me to their bosom and cared for me and gave me what even I could not see. Think about that. But when the parent gets a stroke, Dr. Ramdat is here with me tonight. As a deuta by himself. Every time I invite him to come press, he just says sometimes he comes, sometimes he can't come. He says, you sit down on your singhasan and help your people. Do God work. I there side the road sometimes, and I'm doing God work there, helping and saving people's life. But what about doc, when they have the stroke now and they cannot say, I want water, and the children do not have the attitude, ma, the place hot, you want a little water? Give me a blink, they come. Give me a signal, they. Sometimes we pray for children to become very successful. But maybe our prayer has to change. And pray that we have really successful children. Children that are not so haughty. Children that are not so hateful. That even when you get married, God bless you, you could still love the feet of your parents. Think about that. Principal Umapati Mahadeva ki jai. He says, how could I abandon those feet? I am now learning to walk. I am young. I am still attached to pulling on your foot, creeping and walking. Don't ask me to do that. Let me go and get permission. Kartik Baba goes, where the 6 of them are standing. They're worried. Is this person coming to take him? What will we do if we lose him? This is our all. This little boy is everything. And the 6 mothers, even when he's coming out to ask, is it okay for I to go? They're still fixing the hair and fixing the clothes and touching him. With that love oozing, let's hear what Kartik says to his mothers. Pahi, 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 Gajanana, Parvati Nanda, Gajanana. Come on, everybody. Pahi, 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 pahi,
Gajanana, Parvati Nanda, Gajanana.
Kim Kumar Vachanoye Yogin Parivarayena Kailashapati Vahana Vidya Yasi Twamno Dharmayena Dhyanati.
Pahi, pahi, pahi.
Come on, everybody.
Pahi, 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 Gajanana, Parvati Nanda, Gajanana.
He says, Mother, it is time for me now to go. By the will of Shiva, he is calling for me. I was with you for a little while, but now it's time for us to separate. Ma, I take your permission. Please allow me to go on this journey. I'll be safe. The messenger of Shiva is with me. And in his care, I will go to Kailash. But Mother, know that the love you have shown to me, blessed is that lady that is able to give one piece of this type of love to her child. The mothers listening, they started to put all types of flowers, gems, all types of sweets. They started to pack him in preparation for him to move. But in doing this preparation, they are crying. Tears start to roll down their cheeks. A very sad moment, Guruji says. Parvati Mata, her hair is now undone and she is bewildered. Why is he taking so long? What is happening? And Kartik is walking slowly, taking one by one all the gifts that these mothers are giving him. And he says, Mother, I will never forget you. Don't cry. And he's wiping one tear after another as they are packing the chariot where he has to leave the home now. Now for the last time, he's not coming back. Nandishwar says, please give me all his property. When he goes to Kailash, he will not have time to come back here. He will have to do the work of his father. Let's hear what happens. Lambo darhe gajanana. Lambodar hai gajanana. Come on everyone, let's sing. Lambodar gaj vicharana. Pahi 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 pahi
पाहि पाहि गजानना पार्वती नंदा गजानना.
The second sister, she says, for every mother that is sending their son to go and get married, tears still run from their eyes. And in that moment, you know, sometimes when you go to a wedding, you see the mother hold its head to the bosom. She says, today I rest your head here. For the last time you will drink milk from the body of a woman. Because of this, Parvati Mata never got the opportunity to breastfeed any child. The critica says, she says, I keep this for myself, this blessing. I release you today. I send you forward as a man today, but I do not allow you to go as a child, but I give you as a man. Nobody else is going to offer you body milk. And he says, mother, I accept that. And he rests his head by each one of their chests, symbolizing the closing off of that time. They are crying. And he's boarding the fourth sister of the six of them. She says, in this moment, we should have seen you go and get married. We do not have the karma to see when you are coming back with the Dulahin. We will not get to see you get married. When you see the parent, the body is in the hearse and they are going ready to move off. The boys pay back for the milk when they lift the box and their body is shaking with the weight of that coffin. Mommy, because of your milk, today I have bone and flesh. I use this to lift you and carry where you have to go, ma. I pay you back for your milk. But when that lady, the son and the father could go and do wedding where they want, please remember this. The husband and the son could go and do the best wedding wherever they want until that mother-in-law accepts the girl with that little soft drink or whatever by the car. You know what I'm talking about? Until she says, daughter-in-law, please accept this, and brings her inside to go by the kohobar or where the religious corner is for the wedding. Then you become daughter-in-law. So when the hearse is ready to pull off, who goes in front of the hearse with the load of water? Not the daughter, the daughter-in-law. You gave me acceptance by that first sip. And today, as your last gift, I give you this water now, and I pray from this side of the road to that side. May you have a safe journey. May your journey begin safely, mother. I pay you back. Thank you for accepting me, ma. Thank you, mother, for giving me a home, a name, and the opportunity to become the mother of this house. Today you are going. Go safely. Kritika says, I will not have that. You are going today, and other people will get to enjoy your barat when it is coming, not this mother. She says, pitiful is the woman who has to adopt a child, who has to feed a child, and then that child abandons that lady. Only God in her wisdom will know the emptiness of that lady. When your belly rings, she says, I know what it was to feed you and to hold you and mold you, and now to see you grow and to have you in this big moment where you are leaving this ashram into your next ashram. For all the prayers that you will do, I will never get to witness it. This is the curse of an adopted mother, a foster mother, a stepmother. Because you are not my mother, this is what people say. And that breaks the heart of these type of ladies. I have no rights over you, child. I release you today. But please remember this pitiful soul called Kritika. The 6 of us will leave here and we will become stars in the sky looking over you. But we will be very cut up. Remember we talk about cutting? Because we are very cold from today. We will be only interested in the cutting, just as we have to cut asunder the bond between you and us. We will be auspicious when they are going to cut your hair and those things, but not for wedding, oh child, not for wedding, because we were not involved in your wedding. Please listen. He jumps up, he holds their hands. You could see him kiss them goodbye. And as he jumps on that chariot, they are about to go. Those mothers drop to their knees and bawl as their boy is about to move. Ekadanta Gajanana, Ekadanta Gajanana, Anekadantam Vidyanana,
Pahi 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 Gajanana, Parvati Nanda Gajanana.
Kisho Kritaka Sarve Kripa Sutta Suttayena Putayate Kumaro Ye Avantikatam Vainatetam Ye Kurma Pahi Pahi
Pahi pahi pahi pahi Gajanana, Parvati Nanda Gajanana.
Sachirananda Gajanana. Come on, everybody, let's sing. Sachirananda Gajanana, Nityananda Niranjana, Pahi 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 Pahi.
Pahi pahi Gajanana, Parvati Nanda Gajanana.
When he's pulling away, the mothers drop like lifeless corpse. They drop to their knees to see him go, blessing him all the while, never holding him back, but praying for his safety, his safe arrival. Don't let nothing fall on him, not even rain. They shower prayers, they shower goodness on him, but tears flow from their body. Pitiful, Guruji says, pitiful is the mother who gives her life for children, and in return, all the children give them, or give those mothers, is tears, pain. When those type of children have to go for judgment, where will they hide, oh Shishya? How could you bring pain to children, to the heart of a mother? When she gives of her body, of her bone, for the child to have a skeletal system, that mother has to wean from her own bone to make this new skeletal system. Do not feel sorry for the mothers that are crying. Feel sorry for the children that are causing them to cry. Let's hear. One mother, he says in the barat, in the wedding procession, one mother is always crying because the boy is going. But when on the other side, the noise, the joy, all the celebration, all the pomp, the boy is coming. Parvati Mata hears the noise. Lord Shiva arranged like a band to welcome his son. His son is coming. Kumar is coming. His junior is coming. All the entities of Kailash Parvat are in bloom, happy, joyous, a different setting. Parvati Mata is anxious. She cannot wait to see him. Let's hear what happened. Lambodara he, Lambodara he, Gajanana. Lambodara he, Gajanana. Lambodara Gajavicharana. Pahi, 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 pahi. Parvati Mangal Yena Kriparaj Margaye Manohar Ye Padma Lakshmi Sankrit Parva Parama Yena Ramba Ye Ato Parvati Mata goes and she picks Ramba, Lakshmi, all of the ladies. She says, come with me and receive this prince, this Kumar. Come with me now. And they go and they do his worship, they arti him, so that Lakshmi, the darkness, doesn't follow him. Think back when the Bharat is coming and they open the car door and they're doing that little ceremony. The mothers are unchained, they are praying. Dear God, don't let negative follow him here. When he comes out and the mother holds on to him, do not let anything follow him. Allow him to be healthy. In this instance, Parvati Mata, Lakshmi Mata, Saraswati Mata, Urvashi Devi, Mohini Devi, all of them do this. They throw little balls, little food, laddu type balls of flour. Oh Spirit, if you came here to eat, if you came here to damage this child, eat this. And they throw the flour in different directions so that eating can happen. But do not touch the child. Do not interfere with his aura. Allow his energy to be up. Allow him to be healthy. Allow him to be happy. Let him come with energy into the home. Savitri Devi holds his hand and slowly they take him down from that chariot. And as they are going, merriment, pomp, Lord Shiva starts to spin in that Nataraj form. All his friends are with him and they are celebrating. They are dancing as Kumar is coming in more. Skand is coming in. A message is being sent to sprinkle rice and flowers for him so that his feet will not have to walk on the mountain, on the stone. Let his feet be cushioned by the petals of flowers. Let's hear what happens as he reaches to the top of the purpose. Lambodara he Gajanana. Lambodara he Gajanana. Lambodara Gajavicharana. Singing it and you hear Lambodara. Lambodara means the big belly Ganesh. Let me ask you something tonight. You just do Ganesh Puja. Why Ganesh Baba's belly is so big? No, it sounds funny, eh? Watch every other future. And we are very muscular God, very healthy God. Hanuman Baba, Lord Shiva, Lord Krishna, watch your stomach. But Ganesh Baba is different. Lambodara, there's a discourse taken in the same Brahm Vaivat Puran. When Parvati Mata is crying, please give me a child. Lord Krishna comes to test her as an old Muni. And he says, I have been praying. She did the puja in the morning. And you know, sometimes people reach by a gap late in the evening, are hungry. But they look dirty, they look different. and you test it to say, you can't come here. Me have nothing here. Parvati Mata says, no, we have food. She instruct the husband, you go and start to take out food. I'll wait with him here. And they put the money in the middle, and they start to put bowl, like this, going around. Different dakari, different desserts, making a circle. Imagine the lady sweating, the way she moving from the kitchen to the hall. And the poor sadhu withered with fasting now. Christian in the side, sitting in the middle. And he says, but Devi, listen, this is the key. Devi, when you are finished with me, I will have a very big belly. Look at food. She says, I am your mother today because I am feeding you. You are hungry. You came to me for food, and I am feeding you with the love of this mother. I bless you. Let your belly be big. Let your size be massive because of my love. So when Ganesh comes in that big form because of the same Parvati Mata. And whenever you sing Lambodara and you call that name, remember what a loving mother could give you. Look at the blessing, look at the powerful words that this poor fella has a very big belly now. Pahi, 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 pahi. Ata Shakti par ye na Kailash, Parvati ye na Sarati, Dev Senatam Prayaye Ketam Tarka Surya Mardani.
Pahi, 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 Gajanana, Parvati Nanda Gajanana.
Umar Sangi Sarvaloka Shivlokena Darshatam Jagarnath Jagarnath Shariro Sharna Yena Ralla Ye Ati.
Pahi, 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 Gajanana, Parvati Nanda Gajanana.
Sukha asan prasanya tetam darshan dekha ye ato sukha ye dukha par ye na ye tam muni muni ye na ye ati. Pahi pahi. Everybody.
Pahi, pahi, Gajanana, Parvati Nanda Gajanana.
She says, before you accept any gift that your father is going to give you, today you are my son, and I want to feed you. And he allows Mother Parvati to feed him sweet rice to his mouth, what we call kheer. Kheer is when sweet rice is made not with water, but the rice is boiled with milk. That is the main difference. That rich rice is given to his mouth, and all of them start to come and offer a different type of gift. Have you ever seen that? When you do the wedding, and the girl goes inside, they're now married, and the boy come back outside to sit down with other people, and they start to put gifts, and they start to put money, and all these different things. Where did that come from? When Kartik sat down, Sukha doesn't mean like how we just hold, we put, he's happy, and they wanted to make him more happy. They started to give him all type of gifts and money. They started to rain him down, and Parvati says, I am going to tell you when to stop. I will feed him in his mouth, and when he eats his sweet rice, he will stop gaining money. Parvati Mata waited for everybody to give her son blessings, and now Lord Shiva came. Before Mahadev come, Parvati Mata ushered another mouthful of rice to his mouth. Ishwar says it is time for you to become the soldier I made you to be. It is time for you to go and fight this Tarakasur, this great person that you were created to destroy. He is causing trouble. Take up your weapon. Parvati Mata says, let my son accept a wife. And in that moment, they got him married to a girl by the name of Shashti. Shashti is the one who takes care of all the children. Don't you do Chattis and Barahi when children are born? Chattis is a mispronunciation of Shashti. Shashti is the mother that gives the lady the knowledge about children. I'll explain that just now. She says, I want to see him married. And when he's married, he could go and fight whatever war you want. Oh husband, when I see my boy married, then I will be fulfilled. Let's hear what happens in this verse. Bye, 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 bye. Brahma jato yagya sutra veda veda matram ye ato shubha mantra ye Krishna par sutra veda vachna kavacha ye aati. Bye, bye. Everybody. Parvati Mata is smiling to see him married. Medha, Devsena, Shashti, all of them the same person. The lady who is going to take care of children. The mother of forgiveness. The lady who could make the person who is barren. In Devi Bhagavad, it deals with that discourse. When a lady is only bringing miscarriage, stillbirth, she cannot conceive. That Mother Parvati touched this Shashti and she says, when people pray to you, the same way I'm offering my son this kheer now, when they offer you sweet rice on the Shashti Tithi or the 6th day after the full moon or the new moon, and that belly cannot have children for whatever reason, children will come by your grace. Remember that, daughter-in-law. As I see your face, Mokdikai, this is my blessing to you. From today, you will give that darshan, you will give that blessing to whosoever bows to you and bows to my son. Sutaye Saguna Sagar Parvati Ye nahi mal chalnyata Parpatya ye na karva Kampal ye na kurmatam. Parvati Nanda Gajanana, Parvati Nanda Gajanana. Prem se bolo Shri Ganesh Bhagwan ki. She says, you go now and do your father's work. Now he can have you. Now that you are dressed, now that you have all the gifts that people have given to you, I am satisfied, O child. His Nana, the mountain Himalaya, gives him the peacock that is associated with. Lakshmi gives him all the darshan that she could fit on his body in different forms of prayer. He sometimes is seen with a staff. Different types of weapons were given to him. And for this reason, Lakshmi says, whosoever does your worship offers you incense. When people do Murugan Puja in Trinidad and in India, South India in particular, the main item or the main ingredient in the prayer is incense stick. You will see a lot of incense, just as what we will see in Buddhist temples. This is the offering, the energy that comes from that incense, the positive energy. This is what they are offering to him. Other things are offered. People will do his prayer and offer sugarcane, batasa, just as his father. Lotus flowers is offered, if you could have it. And in this way, flowers like the chameli that has a very sweet aroma, these are the appropriate flowers to offer. On the lingam this evening, we have parijat flower. And what is the parijat? One of the most appropriate flower for prayer. A white flower like a chameli, 4-sprang, but the stem is orange. Just as the Hanuman Sindur is orange, when you're leaving, bow by the lingam, you'll see him. He's there. She says, whosoever will offer these things to you, O son, blessings, all forms of darshan are possible. Prem Sabalo Mahapati Mahadeva ki Jai. Please clasp your hands. As we do, from Shiv Puran now, the a couple of verses, the stotra, the prayer to this son of Parvati, this son of Ishwar, Mahadev, Shambhu. Bhagavan Parameshwar Parivar Yena Sarva Jnana Sarva Kartuscha Sarva Shakti Dhara Prabhu Shri Kartike Namo Namah Jivan Vayatu Te Bhyakti Sa Shakti Parameshwar Tata Punaka Punayaka Vasiye Prati Shri Kartike Namo Namah Devasenapati Tubhyam Devanapataye Namah Namo Yatina Pataye Namo Paripurana Te Namah Om Namah Shivaya Om Namah Shivaya Om Namah Shivaya. Prem se bolo Mahapati Mahadeva ki Jai. Whilst Havan is in progress, I want to share the mic with Senior Pandit Babaji, all the way from up St. Helena side. Baba, you will give us your blessing. And then I want to ask my good friend Uncle Mohan to give me his blessing after. You feel very strongly about parents, and that is why I'm asking you to say a few words. Prem se bolo Mahapati Mahadeva ki Jai.
My friends, as Vyasji was talking about the mother this morning, I was watching at the Ian Allen show a couple of days ago, and I saw this boy beating his mother with a belt, but not at the end of it. He was beating her with the buckle side. And I wanted to know what kind of beast this lady has brought into the world today. My friends, you have to be very careful with your children. You have to know how to bring them up in life. Don't let the children rule you. You have to rule them. When I go home, like tonight, when I leave here and I going home, there is 2 Madhushala on my road. You know what's the Madhushala? The rum shop. And in that rum shop, you only see young children, young boys, young girls have a carry bottle in their hand and they drinking. Parents is the one have to bring up your children in the correct way. Teach them the right thing. Show them the way of life. Not to give them, according to the old talk, give them rope and let them do what they want. You have to hold them in line. Teach your children. You know, once a little boy was playing with some toys in his drawing room. His father was reading the papers. So the little boy asked his father, "Pa, who is that lady riding the lion?" "I don't know, son." A little while after, he asked him again, "Who is that man with the elephant face?" "I don't know, son." "Who is the man with the long tail and the face like a monkey?" "I don't know, son." So the boy tired of asking questions, he stayed quiet. Hear what the father would tell him now. Son, it's good to ask question. How you gonna learn? He don't know himself, but he's telling the boy to ask question and he will learn. So, please, I'm appealing to the people today. Look at today, I hardly seen any young children in the audience. Where are the children? How they are going to learn? How they are going to know what is their dharma? Please, don't let the children go astray. We're losing them. As I say, you'll see them in the Madhushala with a bottle in the hand. And they are in that bottle too. When was the last time you see a child light a diya by the Tulsi stand? Or a parent? Now when you pass by a Hindu home, it's dark out. Baba, I want to thank you for giving me this opportunity to say a few words about children and parenting. Make sure again, I am appealing to you people, teach your children the correct thing. Let us put our hands together as we say a prayer. Let us say a prayer for ourselves, our country. For those who are invited to come tonight and cannot come for whatever reason. For those who are in some institution or the other. Those who are traveling, whether by air, land or sea. Let us ask the Lord to guide and protect them. Om Yang Brahma Varudinda Ruda Maruta Stonvante Devya Save Vedya Sangha Parakrama Upanishada Gayantiyam Samaga Dhyana Gati Manusa Pasyantyam Yogino Yasyantam Na Viru Sura Suragana Devyai Tasmai Namo Namam Om Shanti 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 Hari Om Prem se bolo Vrindavan Bihari Lal ki Jai.
Sit down, everybody. Our President, Pandit, members of the Kirtan. I know this prayer starts since Friday. I wanted to come, but unfortunately I didn't get the privilege to come. But from this morning I said, I have to come. I want to be here. Believe what I'm telling you. I am so filled with joy and happiness to see what Baba had done in a twinkle of an eye, in no less a time. Baba, you started, somebody going to finish it. And I tell you, it's a wonderful, wonderful job. And tonight, we come here. And I want to be honest with each and every one of you who are here tonight. Tell me the truth. Did you feel a vibration? Sometimes you go to prayers, no bad talking, no ill speaking. But you feel nourished, you feel tired, you feel that Baba had been so going, so much nice things about it. And Baba, that topic I believe you speak tonight on, parents, about mother and children. Today, that part where the mother received the daughter-in-law with his soft drink when she comes and promise her that, I give you a name. Today you be named daughter-in-law. The name in it this. Then we welcome you in the home. And the mother go in the heart that when the day go to pass away, this same daughter-in-law will throw you. But only tonight I know that, Baba. So I'm very pleased. I'm very happy to know that I came here tonight and I learned so much that today I came hungry, but I'm going back home very filled. And I'm sure I could share this, not today, not tomorrow. The day will come that sometime in the family might have a funeral. You tell the daughter-in-law, Mom, you got to offer the water in front of it. But But she asked me, why are you doing that for? What would you tell her? But God bless every minute. God bless each and every one of you all for coming. You could see the smile, the happiness. You could see the fulfillment in all your heart tonight. So, Baba, again, I say God bless you, bless your family, bless each and everyone for being here. Thank you. Sit down.
Prem Shivalo Mahapati Mahadeva ki Jai. I hope you learned something. This is the story behind Kartik. This is why he's so prominent. For people who know about his worship, his murti, his form, and for us, let's say us, we now have to learn about this form a little more. Sometimes you hear people worshiping Bairu Baba. We know about Bairu Baba. Bairu Baba, according to the first night discourse, is one strand of hair from the eyebrow of Lord Shiva. That is Bairu Baba. This is the son of Lord Shiva. So if somebody comes and they say, you know, you must do Bairu worship, it's good. It have benefit and blessing. But it have other things that you could do to help yourself. To be honest, as we conclude tonight, remember in some families where maybe, you see, in a perfect scenario, maybe you have one parent, mother and father. But look at the story, and as we go in the night, you will hear about the fight between Lord Shiva and Mother Parvati. You will hear how many times she gets angry and she's ready to take him to task for something he did, generally speaking. Look at how he lost Sati Devi and he now has to put himself with Parvati Mata because the children are always begging him, you know, we want you to have a home, we want you to have a family. When Sati Mata is no longer there, he says, I finished with her. I put that type of life behind me. I don't want it. But sometimes when people are in this scenario, the respect is usually very lacking. You know, tomorrow night I have to celebrate a birthday for one of my neighbors. Loving man. And he tells you all kind of stories. And he'll come and tell me, you know, one day when I'm by myself, I'll have to get somebody else. And then when the joke finishes, he says, me, I want nobody again. Me, I can't handle. I don't have the patience for nobody again. But think about it. Understand what I'm saying? There are some people, because of health, you want somebody there to just help them in the night, if it's a glass of water or whatsoever. And still, there are children in that scenario that do not see the value and the sacrifice that these people give. And tonight I am making it a point to note that if your parent becomes ill and sickly, and you as the child do not have to deal with that because somebody is there, a second mother, let's call it that, or, you know, in that role, then you should be very grateful to such people. If your mother has passed away, if your father has passed away, and there's somebody to fill that void one way or the other, instead of the mouth saying, but you're not my mother, you're not supposed to tell me what to do. Tonight, please, curb that. Curb that. You could be how old? You are not my mother. Think about the married person, and the poor mother-in-law says, you know, if you put a little more salt in that food, it might taste better. Is not my mother. Yeah. Who is you to tell me that? When Kartik is the example and the exemplar of this type of lifestyle, Parvati Mata is the person who always knows how to show love. And the other side of the story is that if you are a lady, let me just keep it a lady, do not love only yours. Do not only favor yours. In our Hindu circle, you see that SEA exam that came out the other day? So you hear what she child do. You hear what school he passed for. How she child do better than my child. The she we talking about is your own sister. Instead of having, you know, that my child to look, my child pass exam, look, this one pass exam, I bless all. Because I love all. How could you call yourself Hindu and you have that kind of bias in love? When sometimes you look across the road and you see different race and different religion and you say, you know what, I want my children to do better than them. You're doing wrong. Please remember that. We just talk about mother worship. Tomeo Mata means you are my mother. Your mother, as you learn tonight, is not only a biological mother. Your mother could be any race, a neighbor, any religion, a lady who wish you well, or the lady who take a little parasad from the press and she says, son, open your mouth. Inside. When we dine with Janelle, for example, and you see they're going to feed you, different ladies just come to feed you. When you're going to get married, and different ladies just come to bathe you before you leave. Different examples of how we call people mother. The 5 ladies that go by the car, Lakshmi, Saraswati, etc., they are devatas that come to receive us. Think about that. And all this text is saying they deserve the respect that is due. Please don't forget that. Prem Sabalo Adi Shakti Mata Ki Jai. Everybody, let's stand as we do final arti. Join your hands one last time. And, you know, sometimes I keep saying it, we just go prayers, but we don't pray. The people by the baby died, them walk, them doing prayers. But I go on in the prayers to see how good the parsat is. I go on to get food. And that is important, don't get me wrong. Close your eyes. We do different. Let me leave other people to make this mistake. Close your eyes. Nothing is going to happen. You're missing nothing here. Talk to Lord Shiva in your heart. You had a mother, especially if that lady is no longer with us. If that lady is alive, make it easier just to say thank you. God, thank you for every time she cut me in. God, thank you for the opportunity to know the face of my mother. Some people are born in this world and they never get to know their mother. Mother, dear Lord, if I had the grace, the good, the bad, the licks, the quarrel, the buff, all that is part of it. Without that training, I would never know what is right behavior. I wouldn't know how to dress myself. I wouldn't know how to eat. I wouldn't know how to do none of these things. This lady was so important. Today, when I say my final prayer and I say my mother is my God, dear Lord, I thank you for my God. I thank you for that lady. I thank you for her body. She made me. Dear God, if I made a mistake, if she's not here and I can't ask for forgiveness, but I made a mistake in my younger days, please forgive me. She's not here anymore for me to ask her for forgiveness. At some point, I have to be honest with myself. One day I'll have to go to judge, and God will say, I gave you a mother, what did you do? I gave you a mother-in-law, what did you do? You have your mousy, you have your mommy, all these different people. What did you do? Dear God, I know I was shortcut somewhere. I know I made a mistake somewhere. Please forgive this sinner. Om Bhur Bhuvaswam Tat Savitur Varenyam Bhargo
Devasya Dhimahi
Diyo Yona Prachodayat.
Prachodayat.
That mantra is the most powerful mantra because every time you say it, the sin is burning, it is removing the sins on your back, it is purifying you. And I'm saying it just once, as I'm asking that if I made this mistake, if I was negligent, please forgive me, dear God. For the parents here tonight, bless my children wherever they are. You heard what Panditji talked about? Bless my younger ones wherever they are, grandchildren that are giving trouble. Ganesh Baba, work on their intellect. Kartikeya Baba, bless them to be forthright and straightforward. Wherever they are, guide them and guard them from bad. Let's sing together as we do closing arati. Our prayer time has run away, everybody. Sing for Lord Shiva tonight. As another discourse has gone, and we pray that we're able to accept it and remember it and put it into practice. Ajam cha Varti Sanyuktam Grahina Yojitam Mayam Deepam Grihana Devesham Shrelokya Timidapaham. Watch that lingam for those of you that can see it. Om Hara 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 Mahadev. Sing for him. Om Hara Hara. Let's go again. Om Hara 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 Mahadev. If you want, go and take a flower and put it by your lingam. If you desire to do arti for him, go. Ring the bell and get your blessing. Bless me now and allow me to be brave to walk up to you and to arti you, God. Allow me the opportunity to get your blessing and your darshan. Allow me tonight to just touch your murti and give me the blessing that I want so much in my life. Oh, sadhu. Hara 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 Mahadev. Om Hara 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 Mahadev. Om Hara 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 Mahadev. Shvetambar Pitambar Bhabambar Ange. Shvetambar Pitambar Bhabambar Sanghadika Brahmadika Bhutadika. Everybody. Jai Shiva Om Hara Shiva Om Hara. Om Jai Shiva Om Hara Shiva Om Hara. Jai Shiva Om Hara Shiva Om Hara. Om Hara 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 Mahadev. 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 No music now, everybody, let's sing together. Om Hara Hara. Om Hara Hara. Om Hara 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 Mahadev. Put your hands together. Close your eyes. And you thank him in your mind. Oh Mahadev Baba, you saw it fit for me to reach here. Dear God, I could have done a million different things. For those of you at home watching on your television, dear God, you saw it fit for me to join in and pray. Thank you for the opportunity. Give me the darshan. Only if you will it, only if you will it, I will get the opportunity to be here again, to listen to different discourses, as I learn about my Shiva, as I learn about his family, as I learn about what is right. Gyan Yoga. Gyan is what comes from Shiv Puran. Understanding the things that we do as Hindus is paramount. But if I don't know my dharma, if I don't know my religion, who am I fooling? Devotees, as we conclude tonight, ask God for the permission to join together with us so that you could learn and better your relationship with God. That's the purpose, that's the objective of the yagna. Together with one voice, let's say our prayer, our final pratna. Tvameva Mata. Come on, everybody.
Sapita Tvameva
Tvameva Bandhuscha
Sukha Tvameva
Tvameva Vidya
Dravinam Tvameva
Tvameva Sarvam
Mama Deva Deva
Tvameva Sarvam
Mama Deva Deva
Om Shanti 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 Hari Om. Together everybody. Prem Solo Mahapati Mahadeva ki, Pavanaputra Hanuman ki, Shri Adi Shakti Mata ki, Vrindavan Bihari Lal ki, Satya Sanatan Dharma ki. Jai Jai Sitaram. Sitaram everybody.